Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, March 30th. Well, a bright morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. It's chilly. It's a cold air mass now following a cold frontal passage of a couple days ago, and temperatures are right around the freezing mark here in the Philadelphia suburbs. Clouds will tend to increase later on today as a fast-moving low-pressure system starts to approach the region. That low will cut across the Mid-Atlantic region overnight tonight and Saturday will turn out to be quite a nasty day in much of the Mid-Atlantic region with a stiff northeast cold biting wind as well as some morning rain, and the afternoon may still remain quite damp with another shower or two as clouds will be quite stubborn to leave the area. There'll be some improvement on Sunday, some sunshine especially early in the day, but more showers could move into the Mid-Atlantic region late in the day on Sunday and especially Sunday night as another system drops in from the northwest to the southeast. Well, let's take a look at the latest surface map, and here is that system right now that will be affecting us overnight tonight into well into Saturday. It'll basically be moving from west to east and will kind of take a track just like this across the region. And again, there's enough cold air in the Mid-Atlantic region right now, thanks to this large Canadian high pressure, that snow will very likely break out later on tonight and tomorrow in northeastern Pennsylvania, just north of the New York City region and across parts of southern New York, and there could even be some accumulations here late tonight and early tomorrow. This is the first snow we've had in quite some time, and I don't think it will be the last, so there are certainly some signs of colder weather right into the early to middle part of April. So again, snow returns to the Mid-Atlantic region late tonight and tomorrow in places like the Poconos, north and east to Binghamton, Syracuse, up perhaps in the lower Hudson Valley part of New York, from northeastern Pennsylvania right into southern New York. Well, here's a radar loop of the upper Midwest, and I'm showing this because this is the batch of precipitation that will be heading south and east towards the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania as this low pressure area cuts across the Mid-Atlantic region later on tonight. So again, the basic movement of this will eventually turn out to be from northwest to southeast, and rain should arrive, let's say, late evening across D.C. around midnight or so in the Philadelphia region, and probably just after midnight across New York City. And that rain will continue into the morning hours, but the afternoon, unfortunately, will remain damp as well with a possible lingering shower or two. Here's the latest IR composite satellite loop. Lots of clear skies this morning in the Mid-Atlantic region. Some clear blue skies with bright sunshine. Clouds are increasing already across the Ohio Valley, and here's the main batch of precipitation. This is associated with that rain that we just saw on the radar, and the low pressure area will be dropping south and east across the Mid-Atlantic region later on tonight and into tomorrow, giving us quite a lousy start for the upcoming weekend. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps for this early weekend low pressure system. This is the NAM model from last night's 0Z run. This is for tonight, and by this time low pressure will be gathering strength here over the Ohio Valley. Precipitation will be starting to move into the western part of Pennsylvania, and again, this basic track of this will be from west to east, cutting right across the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's jump ahead to Saturday morning. By Saturday morning, low pressure moves right over the Delmarva Peninsula, and a northeast wind will develop, and that'll produce some pretty nasty conditions with quite a chilly day. Temperatures holding in the 40s in New York City with some rain, probably the low to mid 50s in Philadelphia. There was stiff northeast breeze, and at best 60 degrees or 62 degrees or so in the Washington, D.C. area. More rain will fall north and east of the Mason-Dixon line than south of it. Places like Philadelphia and New York will receive more than Washington, but even there can be showers into the morning hours. This is the NAM forecast map for tomorrow night, Saturday night, and we kind of pointed this out yesterday. Even though the low moves quickly off the coast, there's kind of a lingering batch of clouds and precipitation hanging all the way back here, at least into the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, and that pretty much assures quite a nasty day all day on Saturday. Earlier in the week it looked like there could be some clearing late in the day, but it just looks like the clouds will be stubborn to leave tomorrow afternoon. Can be a lingering shower or two. The steadiest rain will be late tonight and tomorrow morning, but again, no clearing will be expected tomorrow afternoon. By the time Sunday rolls around, another system will be developing to our northwest, and that'll slide some more showers our way for late Sunday afternoon and especially Sunday night. It turns warmer again, of course, after the weekend is over, early next week on Monday and Tuesday. But longer term, a strong cold front looks like it'll pass through around Wednesday or so, paving the way for quite a bit colder conditions for the second half of next week. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.